Now we're going to talk about landing, or bringing the Parrot drone home. To make the Parrot DISCO return to its point of departure, push the Return Home button on the Parrot Sky Controller 2. The Parrot DISCO holds its altitude and returns above its takeoff position. Then, await your command in orbital standby mode. Ensure that you are in a clear environment with a soft surface, like grass for example. Lower your altitude to 10 meters before landing. Position the drone in front of you. Press the landing button. Come discover our next video, how to use FPV with the Parrot DISCO.